Yes, I'm just washing my beans to prepare gbegiri soup. After washing the beans, I will boil it, put all the ingredients that I desire, pepper, onions, everything. So that is the video here, guys. Then I'm washing my beans now. So I'm going to go off peel, but it's more expensive than the one that. Yeah, I said, I have a lot of washed peeled beans. Why didn't I do gbegiri? Because I will soon be cooking a wedu soup. So that is my gbegiri, washed beans, then chopped onions, palm oil, crayfish, iru, onions, garlic, ginger. They're all here, and my fresh pepper. So when it is cooked, then I'm gonna blend it. Then my gbegiri is ready. Then I will show it to you guys. Okay? Yeah. So I'm gonna cover it and let it cook and go soft. Then put it in the blender and blend. Then my gbegiri is ready. Guys, that is my gbegiri. I blend it now. Gbegiri is ready. That is gbegiri. Wash your beans properly. Boil it. Put all the ingredients you want. Let it cook to very soft. When it is soft, then I blend it now. So that is the gbegiri. Pouring it back inside the saucepan. So that is the gbegiri. Pouring it back inside the saucepan. So